Hello everyone and welcome back to TravelSolo Channel. Today I'm going to feature Jebel Shams in Oman, which was one of my trip back in 2019. Jebel Shams is Oman's highest mountain with about 3,009 meters and is best known not for its peak but for the view into the spectacularly deep Wadi Gul lying alongside it. The straight-sided Wadi Gul is known locally as the Grand Canyon of Arabia, as it fissures abruptly between the flat canyon rims, exposing vertical cliffs of 1,000 meters and more. Until recently, there was nothing between the nervous driver and a plunge into the abyss, but now an iron railing at least indicates the most precipitous points along the track, and rough car parks pick out some of the best viewpoints into the canyon. Near the summit, the terrain flattens out into a large plateau, making an ideal place to camp and picnic or buy a car bed. There are also a couple of well-established hikes here, and the most famous of which is the balcony walk just below the canyon rim. And in these photos, I'll feature the one-of-a-kind experience that I had at the balcony walk. I hope you'll enjoy this video, and thank you for watching.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't know what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night.
Oman.
and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go in and out of one thought, and we break. Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out. Get me through all the layers of you. Get me through. In and out. I don't wanna seize all the things that we have done tonight. It's a mystery that we never took a chance before. I'm looking at you and you're looking